Hello artists, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite YouTuber Arteester. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeup vlog covering up two looks. One, a soft glam, and second, a dramatic makeup. Or should I call it a dark makeup look? This is the part where you hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss of any of my upcoming videos along the way, okay? And leave a comment. Tell me what you think about my makeup looks. Do you prefer one or two? I usually go for two, but hey, who am I to tell you what to do, okay? This could have been a trigger warning for me because I blinked realizing I had something underneath, and then bam, I had primer underneath my eyes and I still blinked to it. Anyways, I'm brushing off my eyebrows so that I get everything corrected, everything in place. Now I'm applying my foundation, and then I'm gonna use my makeup blender to blend the heck out of this foundation so that it matches the skin, the color of my skin. Okay, so after I do that, obviously I'm gonna start with my eyebrows. And then after starting out with my eyebrows, after finishing my eyebrows, I'm going to use a concealer all over, not all over my face, but only in the areas that need it the most. Areas like underneath my eyes, underneath my eye bags, whatnot, and then my chin, and underneath my eyebrows. Just to define my eyebrows, I use my concealer. So this is me drawing my eyebrows. I already have eyebrows, by the way, thick, but I just want them to pop more. Okay, you guys can see, pop more and well defined. So for a much more natural look, I don't want to exaggerate on the pencil being too dark on my eyebrows. Okay, I want it to be dark but soft dark. I don't want it to be overly dark because it's gonna look like, what did you just do to your face? So I don't want that look, like the too dark eyebrow look. So after drawing the size of my eyebrows, I'm gonna slowly fill in the gaps that are, as you guys can see in the video, that are showing off, not colored. Then I'm gonna use my makeup brush to fill in the non-colored parts to give it like a softer look, to make it look like I didn't actually do too much on my eyebrows when it comes to drawing it. Okay, soft blending it. I'm gonna repeat the same process on my other eyebrow. So I started with a pencil, drew my eyebrows. I did the outlining method. I outlined my eyebrows with the pencil, and then I filled in the gaps, just softly filled it in, and then I used my makeup brush to blend it in. Now I'm using my concealer to define my eyebrows, softly lining it up. This is the part where I put so much concentration in. As you guys can see, you saw my mirror. I don't want to mess it up. This is what I usually do for my eyebrows. I kid you not. I'm gonna repeat the same process on my other eyebrow, softly and gently filling it in with no mess ups or whatnot. So after I've done this, I really like to pay close attention because I do not want to overpass the concealer on my eyebrow, so it doesn't look like I have one eyebrow that is lifted and one eyebrow that is not lifted. I don't want that. I just want them to be leveled the same. I'm applying concealer underneath my eye bags, in my chin, underneath my nose. Then I'm gonna blend it in as you would do after applying these things. Some people would use a brush for this, like a makeup brush. I prefer to use a blender because it's much more like convenient for me and faster this way. Some would disagree with me. They'll be like, oh, it's a brush that's faster. This is my option. This is what I got, so I'm working with what I have. I consider this to be faster for me because it's what I have. So after I've done this, I'm gonna use my, well, I'm actually start doing my eye makeup, giving it some final touches to my eyebrows. I'm putting on this white color underneath it just so I can make the definition pop more, the definition under my eyebrows. Like, I had to define my eyebrows with a concealer after drawing it. This is what I do to define it more. So I'm doing my eye makeup. My eye makeup goes by so fast when I already know what I'm doing. When it comes to colors, when it comes to like what style am I doing, what style am I going for? Am I going for like soft glam or like the makeup but no makeup look? It goes by faster when I know what I'm doing. When I don't know what I'm doing, I usually go to, like, for inspo, I go for like Instagram pictures or Pinterest board. Like, look at my eyes. Why did I squint my eyes like that? You know when someone like has their glasses on and they take off their glasses? That's how I like squinted in the video. Anyways, so I'm adding on gold and black. This is the colors I'm going for the video. However, for this soft glam, which is just the first look, I don't want to like overdo the dark colors. I want to emphasize, again, emphasis on the soft colors. Like, I know I'm going for gold, but I don't want to overly golden the eye color. Get my point? And now I'm just gonna go with my makeup powder. Why am I going for the makeup powder? Just so the makeup can bake and set. I go for powders because it's what I have and I'm working with what I have. Okay, so I'm putting this on because I want my makeup to last longer and I don't want to deal with makeup that is cakey, makeup that is flaky. After blending it well, this is what I do. My final touch is to add a powder so that my makeup stays on longer. Some would say, why don't you just use a setting spray? I don't have a setting spray. I literally just told you I'm working with what I have. Don't come for me in the comment section asking me why I didn't use my setting spray. I don't have it for now. Okay, so after me doing these final steps, I'm going again, but this time on my eyes I'm doing cat eye makeup. This is my cat eye. Look at the precision, look at the concentration. And for those who skipped this part of the video, I am not doing this blindly doing my makeup. I'm doing this with a mirror in my hand so I can see what I'm doing. Although doing it without a mirror is not bad though. I've done makeup without looking in the mirror, but for this video I needed to. It's cut eye. I need that mirror. Okay, so cut eye number 2. It's a bit hard to work with a eyeliner that is not cooperating with you. Like, I kid you not, it cooperates the first seconds you start putting it on, but as soon as you have like a lot going on in your face, it just starts to play with you. Like, I hate it when eye makeups do this, like eye pencils do this, but it's going on smoothly. Nothing like too shabby is going on here. So after doing my, I like to like overdo my cat eye so that, you know, even though, you know, some cat eye pencils are just, they play a lot of games with you. I'm telling you, one time you have the cat eye makeup on you and then the second you don't have it anymore. Like, where did it go? Like, dang. So this is my look, just confirming everything is in place, everything is put well. I'm doing the inner sides of the cat eye. This is me applying my eyelash makeup, applying it well. There is a method I like to do. This is what I do most time when I don't put on lashes. I don't even put lashes on. Now I'm doing my lips, My favorite part of makeup is doing my lips. Have you not seen my videos and the lip combos I've got on in all of my videos? I love me some good like lip combos. Of course, I'm working with the colors that I have on with me, but this is like a color I just wanted to try it on. I thought of this colors, the colors that I'm putting in like in the video. I thought of them and I just started to let me I just decided to play with them a bit. So the colors that I'm using here is, I wouldn't consider it to be light brown. You see like a khaki color? That's the color I'm using. And I'm using red, and for the lip liner I'm using black. Now it's just a gloss, applying it all over my lips so that it looks glossier. Or glossy, because the first colors I used were matte. Matte colors compared to glossy, matte are so dry. If you left a matte color lipstick on you, it's literally just dry. It dries your lips out. This is me. This is the part where I wanted to get from the start of this video. I wanted to tell you guys about this, but this is my lash attempt number 1. I literally thought I have it. Like, look at me. Look at the precision. Look at the look at the form. Look at the, obviously at some point I would have to use a tweezer, but this is my first time ever putting on lashes. Like, are you kidding me? I know how to apply with my hands now. You tell me I have to use a tweezer? I literally thought I had it. When I look down, look at it. When I look down, it doesn't look bad. Okay, you'd be like, oh. Up until I lift my eyes up, like, what am I doing? So, like, attempt number 2. It's there are so many steps that I'm doing wrong here, and I'm trying like to praise myself, like, you got it, like, keep going. Once you put on the eyelash, it's gonna be looking beautiful. Like, I kid you not, this glamorous look that you're going for, the soft glam, once you have on lashes, like, girl the struggle. Like, once I look down, I don't know why I didn't go for like looking downwards or what. Not in my video. If I was like, oh, let me just play along, like, I got my lashes on, like, just look down, like, look at this, look at me trying to curl the eyelash that I thought while I was eating. Like, look at this. No, I done messed up the part where I had to put on. Look at me, just this is the 4th time I've applied eyelashes in one video. 4 times in a row, just straight up fail. Like, damn. I kid you not, like, girl, this is too much. Like, girls have to go deal with a lot when doing makeup. Like, tell me, like, what is this? Like, if I'm looking down, right? Yeah, let me just take this off because it's not looking, look at this, it's not looking good. Ow. So I'm applying like a golden, it's bright, it's like silver, a silver color underneath my eye. I don't know what you call the inner part of the eye, like the side of it, like, as you guys can see in the video, to make the color pop and the look more visible. Taking down my hair to focus on the style that I'm going to be doing for this makeup look. Like, tell me, my hair has gone through so much. I have really to tell a story about my hair in this channel. Like, I kid you not. Look at me styling and parting my hair. This is the first ever time I blow out my hair and it's looking like this soft. Like, I can run through my hands easily. This is my first glam makeup look done. The second look, however, this is the part that we've been all waiting for. The dark look, or as I call it, dramatic makeup look. I like to start first for this one because I've just transitioned from that style to this other style without wiping off my makeup and starting all over again. That would have been crazy. But as you guys can see, this is my dark makeup look. Obviously, every color in this video that I'm doing for my makeup has to be dark, as the theme says, dark. Okay, putting on the colors. I should have gone with like black and red for the lip combo, but I feel like I do black and red often, like too much, or not. I just feel like I do a lot of pink instead of like black and red. Anyways, I just wanted to do something different for this one. So obviously darkening the inner sides of the eyes to make it look darker. I'm gonna do also the cat eyes again. I want to uplift the cat eye to make it look bigger because it was thin from the first part of the makeup look. Now I want to darken it even more, accentuating the cat eye, darkening it even more and more to make it look dramatic. Mind you, this was very easy. This is like the behind the scene of the short video that you guys are gonna get on my shorts. If you're not watching my shorts, what are you doing on your free time? Literally just binge watch what I have on there. It's so fun. The videos there, I post like every long videos like this. You get to watch them in short time on shorts. Tune in to my shorties. I just call you shorties. Just kidding, artist. Tune in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Oh my goodness, I literally forgot to tell you guys this, but as a reminder, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell and leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think of my makeup looks. Like the first look, let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think it was a bit softer? I could have done even more to it to make it look like I had makeup on but no makeup on. Tell me, let me know, because honey, I need to know your thoughts in the comment, and I need to know what you guys think about my dramatic makeup, aka dark makeup, because I love me some dark makeup. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about it. Now I'm giving some final touches to my lip combo, adding the gloss to the end. Never fails, actually. Adding gloss to every lip combo is the thing, like literally. Now I'm rolling down. This is the part where I get to say I am done with this look. You guys get to enjoy it. Thank you so much. See you guys on the next video, and share if you care. Don't forget to subscribe.